Good morning, second graders. Today is April 27th, 2020. Hopefully you're having a magnificent Monday. Our schedule for today, you're going to start with your specials rotations. Make sure you check that link I sent out. You have reading, week 34 for daily language review. You're going to complete your nonfiction passage for trees. Your lunch and recess, math, mini lesson with me this morning. You have day 146, and then Brain Pop's going to be measurement this week. Be awesome, be brave, be kind, be creative. Be honest, be humble, be thankful, be fearless, but most of all, be you. Don't forget, if you haven't already turned in your homework this week, please go ahead and do that. I'll be grading those today. Daily language review. If you have not yet completed this, please do that now. We'll give you a minute to finish before we start to review. Number 1 and 2, you're to correct the sentences. Do you want to go swimming? Then put on your swimsuit. So again, there's a couple ways to do this. Do needs to be capitalized, you, and then this needs to be want, not wants, to go swimming, question mark, capital T, then put on your swimsuit, period. Or, do you want to go swimming? Semicolon, then put on your swimsuit. Either way would work. Don't leave no toys on the stairs. Don't needs to be capitalized. Apostrophe between the N and the T. Leave any toys on the stairs, period. The cook made a cake for he, him, his. The cook made a cake for he. The cook made a cake for him. The cook made a cake for his. Him would sound more appropriate, and then him and I, him and me, him and my, him and I is the other appropriate. So the cook made a cake for him and I. How do you spell the word that means more than one child? Now this is tricky because you don't just add an S. This is children. So children would be more than one child. Which is correct when you're doing a letter, your friend, comma, your, comma, friend, your, comma, friend, comma, or none of these. It is your friend, comma. Mark those up for me and let me know what you got. For your nonfiction passage today, you are going to read your trees nonfiction version. Be sure to do all the parts of it with vocabulary and turning the question around on the back. Math 180, we're doing day 146. If you've not done this, please take a minute now to do that. Oh no. Alright, let's review. Number 1, 57 equals 5 tens and 7 ones. So 5 is in the 10th place, so 7 is in the ones place. And number 2, you are adding. Pay attention to those signs. 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 plus 4 is 8, so that would be 89. 36 minus 24, if you need to write it this way so you can see it. 6 minus 4 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1, so that answer would be 12. Blank minus 8 equals 3. An easy way to figure this out is if you say 8 plus 3 is 11. You plug 11 in here, 11 minus 8 is also 3. Does an octagon have 8 vertices? That answer is yes. That's talking about each point. Write the month that comes after August. That month is September. Each candle, the key is 1 candle equals 1 year. So if we look at Brenna's, you have to count them up. Brenna is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How old is Brenna? 5 years old. Remember those labels on the end are important. To be 5 months, 5 days. We really got to make sure we know what we're talking about. Write the number. There's 3 more hundreds, 5 more tens, and 6 more ones. Then the number 342. If you write it off to the side like I did, Then you're going to do 2 plus 6 is 8. 4 plus 5 is 9. 3 plus 3 is 6, so it's 698. This is one of those problems that you should be writing out using your addition strategies. For Brain Pop today, we're talking about area. How much space does the object take up? We'll talk about this during our lesson today. You're going to do that hard quiz on Brain Pop. Make sure you take your time, listen to the video, and answer as many as you can correctly. Don't get overwhelmed with the work. We're halfway through distance learning. Do the best that you can. Have a great day, and as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask.